The day the dog said, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." One sunny day, the animals were talking. "It's hot," said the duck. "Quack." "Very," said the goose. "Honk." "Moo." "Maybe it will rain," said the cow. "I hope so," said the pig, whose mud puddle wad drying up. "Oink." "Rain brings out the best worms," said the rooster. "Cock-a-doodle-doo." The dog barked at the rooster. "Stop that. I'm trying to sleep." "Woof." "I can't help it," said the rooster. "I'm a rooster and roots are sire." Cock-a-doodle-doo. Just then, a storm wind blew through the barnyard. It stirred up a cloud of dust and sent the animals tumbling through the air. Then it stopped. "Is everyone all right?" asked THD Duck. "Moo." "I'm okay," said the goose. "Oink." "Me, too," said the cow. "Quack." "Same here," said the pig. "Honk." "I lost a few tail feathers," said the rooster. "Woof," said the dog to the rooster. "I like that sound. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And I like your sound." The rooster told THD Dog, "Well, I think that the duck sounds lovely," said the cow. "The goose sounds even better," said the pig. "The cow sounds best of all," said the duck. "The pig is best," said the goose. The animals were so busy arguing that they didn't notice the sky grow dark. Then, as before, a strong wind blew through the barnyard, stirred up a cloud of dust, and sent the animals flying. When the wind stopped and a gentle rain began to fall, no one said a word. Then the duck spoke. "I guess I'll go for a swim," he said. "Quack." "Wait for me," said the goose. "Honk." "Moo," said the cow. "I'm moving to the pasture to eat some grass." The pig jumped into a new mud puddle with a happy oink. "As for me," said the rooster, "I've been invited to a party at the hen house. See you later." "Cock-a-doodle-doo." "Woof," said the dog. "I's time for a nap." Then the barnyard yas quiet, except for the patter of raindrops, the chatter of hens, and the sound of a snoring dog.